So guys, if you want to fix this problem, this is what you have to do. You just have to first of all go to your phone menu like this, then you go to the C section. This is A section, so you have to go to the C section by scrolling down, and as you can see, this is the C section. So what you have to do next is to make sure you use your finger to tap on it for some while, and these two options are going to pop up. So when it's pop up, what you have to do is to tap over here. So when you tap on the app info, you just have to tap on permission. You just have to make sure every permission over here is allowed. We have camera, files, and media, location, microphone. You don't have to deny none of these. You just have to allow all permission over here. Now let's go back. So after going back, you're going to see storage and cache. Just tap on the storage and cache. Now what you have to do next is to tap on this clear cache over here. So you tap on the clear cache, then after that you go back, then now you tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi, then you make sure this background data is on like this. So you just have to make sure this is on. Then after that you tap on the back section like this. Then what you have to do is to restart your device. So you just have to tap on the power button for some while, and you tap on restart. When these two options pop up, we have the power off and also restart. So just select this one, which is the restart button, and this problem is going to get fixed. Thank you for watching this video.